Is hot biopsy still recommended for polypectomy? Well, hot biopsy was used for many years to remove smaller polyps that were less than 5 millimeters in size. And the rationale of using hot biopsy was that one grasped the lesion and then applied heat and burned and resected the polyp inside. But interestingly, there are two aspects that don't have advantages of doing hot biopsy. Number one, there have been case reports and series of patients who had perforations, especially of the right colon, when performing hot biopsy. In addition, when I was at the University of Alabama, one of my first colon polyp research projects was to analyze polyps resected with cold and hot biopsy, and we clearly demonstrated that what the books said was not true. They were mentioning that you could read and interpret the polyps. The pathologist could see them well because the cusps grasped them and protected the inside from burning. So we proved that that's wrong. So there is two reasons not to do hot biopsy anymore. One, the risk of perforation, and two, that the tissue is cauterized and it cannot be interpreted.